So this is how to do a non-destructive steering lock bypass on a Subaru Loyale. First, remove this bottom cover. It's held on with 4 Phillips head screws, one there, 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 and there. Once you get this bottom cover off, you'll have to remove the top cover too. At this point, the top cover should only be held on with this lever. There's a screw on the back side of the lever, but it's hard to get to. So what you need to do is go up underneath the top cover and pull out a spring clip. This should allow you to detach the lever from the mechanism and rotate it up to about there. That'll let you get to the screw on the back side of it. And once you get that screw out, you just pull the lever out, and that should release the top cover. So with everything off, you'll find 2 bolts holding the steering lock mechanism in. And these bolts have rounded heads. So we're going to use a rotary tool to cut some slots in the heads of the bolts. And once we have our slots, a standard screwdriver should have no problem removing the bolts. You'll also need to remove a couple of screws, one on top here and another on the bottom. Now you should be able to remove the top and the bottom part of the steering lock assembly. To get the bottom out, you may have to wiggle it a bit. With the lock assembly out where we can see it, you'll observe it disengages when the key is turned. It does not re-engage until the key is removed. This pin engages a slot in the steering shaft through the hole. I've chosen duct tape over the hole to disable the mechanism. For future convenience, I cut the slots a bit bigger with a hacksaw in the bolt heads before reassembly.